Let's see how we can manage handouts for a session or an event. For managing handouts, you can see there are different sessions laid out under the stage button. You can choose the session that you wish to upload handouts for. Onto the right hand side, you can see the Handouts tab. Click on the Handouts tab. Then you can see the Manage Handouts button. Here you will be able to see if you have pre-uploaded any kinds of handout, they will be laid out. Other than that, if you wish to upload any file, which can be maximum of 6 MB, you can upload by clicking on it. Once you have uploaded the file, you will be able to see it under the tab here. Now, if you wish to change, edit, delete any kind of information of that file, you can do it from here by editing the details. For under the reference button, you can change the reference. For example, right now it's marked on a session. Now, if I wish to change it from a session to the event level handout, I'll click on the event and then save these details. Similarly, if I wish to publish this detail, I will turn on this toggle button and this information will be published. Also, if I wish to broadcast this information onto my event level handouts, then I'll click on broadcast button and this information will be published. Similarly, if I wish to publish the data here of this handout, I will click and choose the session, then click on broadcast. This will help me broadcast this information into the discuss tab of that particular session. Now you will be able to see this here under the discuss tab. Now if I show interest into one of these handouts, I will be able to see them under the handout bag. Under the handout bag, you will be able to see all the handouts which are marked as the event level handouts, as well as the handouts that you show interest in. This makes the task easier for sending them to your mailbox, downloading them, as well as viewing them. For sending them to your mailbox, onto the right hand side, you can see the option of send to mailbox. Click on that option, choose the file that you wish to send to your mailbox, and then click on send. Once you have sent, if you wish to go back, you can click on go back. Thank you.